Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tafaro. So in this video I'm doing a nighttime routine. I'm starting with my hair. I'm going to use the Tropiki coconut hibiscus moisture mist to hydrate my hair and get it ready for retwisting. I'm using the Coco Manoi hair butter cream to add a little bit of moisture. I'm using the Kadii Pink's Designs headband. I use this to sleek my edges, and I also use it to push back my hair when I'm doing anything to my face. I'm gonna use the Tropiki Rosemary Charcoal Soap to cleanse today, and I'm using a sponge. I don't have one of those fancy sonic cleansers, so this is what I use to get the gunk out. I'm using some aloe vera to reduce the inflammation because I play with my face a lot, especially when I have pimples. I get obsessed, so this is gonna help me get rid of the inflammation. Next, I'm using the Ivory Rock Tea Tree Toner. It's one of my favorites. It helps me get rid of blemishes. I'm gonna brush my teeth with Sensodyne. It's my first time trying it and I actually really like it. I'm using a Clinique moisturizer. And then, just in case I have any problem pimple, I use this mint julep mask and it really gets rid of it by tomorrow. Gone. So this is the Kadii Pink's Design satin bonnet. It's big enough to fit a lot of hair and it stays nice and comfy on all night long. I like to put on something very feminine and sexy to sleep in, even if it's just for me. It makes me feel good. One more thing, I'm gonna use the cocoa butter on my lips to keep my lips moisturized and so it's nice and soft the next day. And I'm also gonna put some cuticle oil on my fingernails and my toenails. And guys, please go and check out Kadii Pink's Designs Instagram account. She has lots of really cool hair accessories and products. Please go and check out her page. She also has a YouTube channel, so you guys can go and subscribe to her and support a young entrepreneur. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. Please subscribe if you haven't. And we will link up in the next video. Alright guys, enough love.